My name is Barbara Lhotan, and I am here with Vivian McKinder in the Hamptons, taking the most phenomenal class I believe I've ever had. You just leave one class, you go to another, and you learn so many new things. With Vivian, I learned, number one, patience. And don't take yourself too seriously. She laughs all throughout the class and is very open and fun to be with, and I just enjoyed the last 2 days. I've been doing hair forever, and I go for all the education that I possibly can, and this one is so different than anyone I've ever had before. I learned patience, I learned to practice, I learned techniques that I have not used before, and that's saying a lot when you've done hair forever. I would recommend this class to anybody that's serious about their career. It's very affordable. And you need to ask yourself as a hairdresser, if you don't have the money to come to a class, are you the hairdresser that you want to be? Because there comes a time when you realize you have a shelf life, just like milk. And you want to do the best you can for yourself and for your clients. I've had a great day. Thank you.